So to answer this question of is it a polynomial, the thing that I think about is that you need a number times x to a power p, and the key thing you're looking for is that this power p, whatever this power p is 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. So there's a couple of things that you cannot have. If it's not 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 a positive integer or a 0, then it's not going to be a polynomial. So if you look here, and again, this has to be in the numerator. So it has to be that you have a number, x to a power p, that p is 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 and it's in the numerator. So when you look at number 17 on the review, you have 5x to the first. That would be in the umbrella of 0, 1, dot, dot, dot. You have 4 as the power. So that is perfect. That would be a polynomial. Now, if you look at number 18, you do have x to a number, but the problem is that it's not in the numerator. So this would be no, and the reason why it's no is because if I had to rewrite this, it would be negative 3x to the negative 3, and that would not be a polynomial. All right, so if you look at number 19 here, you see that the power p that you have is not 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 because if we were to rewrite the square root of x to the third, that would become x to the 3/2. And so as soon as we rewrite that, then that means we no longer have a polynomial because this power is not the 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. Number 20 is a polynomial because when you look at all of the powers that you have, the powers are positive integers, and so that would be a polynomial. And this negative 3 is perfectly fine because you could write it as negative 3x to the 0 because x to the 0 is equal to 1. So that would be perfectly fine. You would say yes, it is a polynomial, and number 19, just to be clear, is no, that is not a polynomial. Now, if you look at number 21, that is not going to be a polynomial because of this 4/3. It's not that p is equal to 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. And then if you look at number 22, and you look at the powers that you have here, you have 7, 4, and then x to the first power. So all of your powers are in that umbrella of 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. So that would be a polynomial. So number 22 is a polynomial, and number 21 is no because of the fact that you have this 4/3 power. So basically when you're looking for is it a polynomial or not, you're trying to figure out if it's x to a power p in the numerator, and that power p has to be 0, 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, dot. It cannot be a fraction, it cannot be in the denominator, it cannot be a radical. So you can also think about that there's no radicals, no variables under the radicals in the denominator or raised to a fraction power. But if you really just kind of focus your energy on is it a power of 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 you'll be good to go.